In this tip, we'll see a couple of examples for atomic grouping. This is a new feature added to Python 3.11 version to the regular expression module. This is a special group that is isolated from other parts of the regular expression. Thus, it helps to safeguard that particular portion from further backtracking. We will see a couple of examples. First, with greedy quantifier. This is a string with some numbers. Our goal is to match numbers that are greater than or equal to 100. So this and this. There can be leading zeros that are also to be matched. If you try to use just a greedy quantifier, you will get false matches because greedy quantifiers will give up characters to allow the overall pattern to match. So in this case, we get a false match of 001 because this gives up both the leading zeros to allow a digit character to match 3 times. In such cases, we can use atomic grouping to protect this greedy quantifier from being influenced by the rest of the regex pattern. So the leading zeros that are matched in this group will not be given up to allow this portion to match. So this is our desired output. For greedy quantifiers, you can also use possessive quantifier. So this will not backtrack. So in such cases, you will get the same output as atomic grouping. Next, let us look at an example with non-greedy quantifier. So this string has fruit names separated by double colons. Our goal is to match apple along with the previous field. If we simply try to use non-greedy quantifier, we will not get the desired output because similar to greedy quantifier, this particular portion will try to satisfy the overall regex pattern. So even though this is meant to match 0 or more characters as minimally as possible, you are getting the output from first occurrence of double colon to the first occurrence of double colon and apple. Our desired output is only this part. So again we can apply atomic grouping and protect this portion. So within this group, this will match only from double colon to the very next double colon because this group is not influenced by rest of the regular expression pattern. So let us look at this sample input. This part will match this portion, and then when it tries to match apple, it will fail. So the regex engine will move on, and when it comes to this part, again this will fail because the next 5 characters are not apple. So this also fails. Now the engine will move to this part. So this group is satisfied, and then the next 5 characters is apple. So this is satisfied, and that is our desired output as well. Hope you enjoyed this tip.